really did not want to wake up this morning, but we're going to Fast Franklin, which is an exotic car meet. I don't want to go, but I'm up already, so here's the new setup for the podcast. Hopefully a lot more guests are coming soon, but I guess we should probably go meet up with Ali and Oscar.
Car comes in. This car comes in, right? And he brakes. And the fucking morning. Yeah.
What is this parking? Nah, for the free? For free? Trippy OF, you know, trippy OF.
Never. You see right here, we got brand new headlights. They don't look brand new, but they're not. If you can see there's no amber in it, that means that that's illegal. Look at this, guys. Come here, come here, come here. Now look at it. You got the boots.
You like that? Oh, stroke gonna go crazy.
Hurry up!
Almost done. Can you grab my camera?
Crash and a half.
200 would be nice. He rides stick, that's all he rides.
Would be nice though.
He just rides stick, bro.
250 would be nice for his ass, yeah.
Grom. Can I just get like an Exodus Grom?
Dude, just get the fucking mini bikes, man.
You can learn how to ride, bro, and I can learn how to wheelie.
God.
Look at cars.
Nice cock.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, Daddy.
Actually, nice. But look at the Civic. Look at the Civic's plate.
Ice. Oh my god, it's uncircumcised. This one has a chub.
Oh my god, it's so precious.
Sergio, it's you. My little churro. Little chub. You see that shit, bro? It's not small, bro. It's average. It's at least 3 inches.
It looks like a chode.
I would say it's average.
It's pretty average.
Like I just feel like it should be skinnier at the end.
My coworker Supra. What the hell?
Is it really?
Yeah. Hey, this looks. Oh, Ali, you're running a shot. He's finna hit it from the back, go crazy now.
Oh! I mean, what up, my man?
I might. What's up, baby?
Oh, that's what they call me in the streets.
Yeah. Hey, let me pull your hair. Let me see what's
You
all
can't
about.
pull this hair. You see this shit is done. You can't pull nothing over here.
Bro, that reds. Mustang's crazy.
Oh my god, Mustang activity.
My dick is hard, bro.
She's like, she's like,
Taillights. Look at that. Yo, what? I thought it was a Fiero or an MR2. Not gonna lie. What the hell? Look at the wagon, bro. That's hard. So hard.
What to move?
RX-7, bro.
And
Move out the way.
womp womp. Womp womp. Me and Susie are really.
Nissan meet go crazy, bro. We got 300s. We got a, what is that, a Maxima?
It's an Altima, you bitch. Fuck you.
Who's hosting?
I'm shivering in my timbers. Bitch, I'm on my period.
Are you actively bleeding right now?
No.
Fucking creep, bro. What the fuck is wrong with you, bro?
Cameraographer, videographer. They're so mean to me.
I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. I feel like that bike meat might be a little better than y'all shitty meat.
The shitty meat doesn't start till 4.
I'm not going to that one. Fuck that. Shit far, bro.
In Colombia?
You gotta take your money. Your mouse or
Oh, yeah.
God damn, sir. Yeah. God damn. What that mouth do?
Something to say, Henry? Beat your ass, too. I'll eat your ass. I swear to God, I'll eat your ass, bro.
Huh?
I thought you said beat my
I
ass.
did say beat your ass, but what you hear?
Nah, I'm hearing things, bro.
Play that
Hearing
back.
things?
Yeah.
Are you down to do the things that you heard? Hypothetically?
No comment.
About to tickle your butthole again, bro.
What you mean again?
Crazy.
Look at her.
Where'd she go?
She ran away.
Dude, that shit fucking. Oh!
Headshot.
Doing here?
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm low-key scared. I haven't
Explain
gotten
what we're doing here.
I haven't gotten the kickstand, the right kickstand for my bike yet, and it's like really straight.
Oh.
And I'm scared to
Told you
fucking
to fucking cut it last time. Yo, that purple one though.
Damn. It's Miranda over there. You want me to? Oh. Chat, this is the new whip. New daily.
Oh my god. This is the one I want. Either this or the S1000. 17,800 non-ABS. Like real man.
Chat, can we see Ali in this?
Vic, you can start on that.
Is she buying one?
Are you making bad financial decisions today, guys?
Uh-oh. Nelly, what do you think?
I think we're gonna make bad financial decisions today.
Uh-oh.
This way, guys.
We never should have came to this meet, bro.
I'm not even on my tippy toes, bro. I can't get reach the ground.
If he got rid of the taxes, we could low-key, like, get this bike today.
Yeah, I think this is perfect.
Alright, grab her waist like a real backpack.
Y'all are going down to the same meet, right? Or just figure.
Alright, the GoFundMe has started. Everyone donate money so I can put a good down payment on this bike.
Mission failed. We didn't get a bike. We'll get him next time.
The helicopter.
Where are we?
Guys, we are at StreetFest in Colombia. It's the first year they're hosting this. I'm so excited. And Victor's clapped out seat has slipped today.
Fucking slipped coming in and I stalled.
You stalled?
I stalled right over here.
Yeah, we were sitting there and he goes, oh, that's embarrassing.
What's taking Victor so long to get up the damn hill?
That's hot shot right there.
Hot shot!
Oh god damn. This famous men. The Lexus.
Yeah. Dude, one time we were all on a cruise, he almost killed all of us, bro. Damn, bro.
I see the SCA hiding over there. Looking all mean and shit. No, this is actually insane. Bro, that man is never home. Burn oil is crazy.
You should ask him what his Instagram name is.
Where is he at? Is that him?
What's his name?
Holy shit. Hey. I know those guys.
We took it all the way to Nashville from Franklin to go to CarMeets over there.
The Doom buggy goes crazy. Hey, look at this LS400 though. God damn. Look at that form. Hey, come here. Nah, come here.
I'm running.
Bring that ass here, bro. God damn.
I've seen him at Cars and Coffee a few times, I believe.
So we're going home.
We sure are. StreetFest was actually really pretty fucking cool. I got to see a lot of cars on the dyno, so that was fun.
I'm exhausted. I want to go home. There's another meet tonight, but I think we might skip that one. I'm tired of talking to people. No cap. Bye.
Bye.
Hold on, I'm gonna get Allie to say bye.
Bye, vlog. Good night and good tomorrow.